Safeguarding education. The importance of legal services. Educational institutions in India operate within a complex legal and regulatory framework. Navigating this landscape requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Legal services are therefore essential for these institutions to function smoothly and effectively. Without proper legal guidance, institutions risk facing penalties, lawsuits, and damage to their reputation. By proactively addressing legal matters, institutions can create a secure and supportive environment for students, faculty, and staff. Legal services provide a safety net, ensuring compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. This reduces the likelihood of legal disputes and protects the institution from potential liabilities. Moreover, legal counsel empowers institutions to make informed decisions, mitigating risks, and safeguarding their long-term interests. The presence of a robust legal framework ultimately contributes to the quality and credibility of education provided. Navigating the legal maze, regulatory compliance, and contracts. One of the primary areas where legal services are crucial is regulatory compliance. Educational institutions must adhere to a multitude of central and state laws, including those related to establishment, recognition, and administration. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in severe consequences, including loss of recognition or even closure. Legal experts assist institutions in understanding and complying with these regulations, ensuring they operate within the bounds of the law. Contracts form another cornerstone of legal services for educational institutions. Institutions engage in numerous contracts, whether with faculty and staff, vendors, or other institutions. Legal professionals play a vital role in drafting, reviewing, and negotiating these contracts to protect the institution's interests. They ensure that agreements are legally sound, clearly define rights and obligations, and minimize the potential for disputes. A foundation of fairness employment law and student affairs. Employment law is an area of paramount importance for educational institutions. Institutions must navigate complex labor laws governing hiring, wages, benefits, and workplace safety. Legal experts provide guidance on drafting fair employment contracts, ensuring compliance with anti-discrimination laws, and handling employee grievances. By adhering to employment laws, institutions foster a respectful and equitable work environment. Student affairs also necessitate legal expertise. Institutions must address issues such as admissions, student conduct, disciplinary proceedings, and anti-ragging measures. Legal counsel ensures that institutions have clear policies in place that comply with legal requirements and protect the rights of all students. This includes handling sensitive matters like sexual harassment complaints and ensuring due process in disciplinary actions. Protecting innovation and assets, intellectual property, and real estate. Intellectual property protection is critical for educational institutions engaged in research and development. Universities and research institutions generate valuable intellectual property in the form of patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Legal services help institutions secure and enforce their intellectual property rights, enabling them to commercialize their inventions and protect their academic output. This includes drafting licensing agreements, pursuing infringement claims, and managing intellectual property portfolios. Real estate transactions also require legal expertise. Institutions may need to acquire, lease, or dispose of property for expansion or other purposes. Legal professionals assist in conducting due diligence, negotiating favorable terms, and ensuring that all transactions comply with property laws and regulations. They also help resolve any property disputes that may arise.